Fritz Haber, a talented chemist, offered services to the German army. He experimented with chlorine gas, which then he decided could be used in the trench warfare. His wife, Clara Haber, took action and said he shouldn't be using his talents in this way. She later then committed suicide in protest against his work. Germany used chlorine gas cylinders for the first time in April 1915 against the French army. Chlorine gas forms yellow-green clouds and has a distinctive smell, which was a mixture of pineapple and pepper. Chlorine gas destroys the respiratory organs of its victims and it leads to a slow death by asphyxiation. At first, doctors were unable to find a way of treating chlorine gas poisoning successfully. It was important to have the right weather before a gas attack could be made, as the gas could be blown back into their faces. But then the gas shells were produced for use with heavy artillery. This helped troops protect themselves when the weather conditions weren't good enough. Chlorine attacks made the victims cough and therefore limited their intake of the poison. Later on, they realized that phosgene gas was more effective than chlorine gas. It killed its victims within 48 hours of the attack. Chlorine attacks made the victims cough and therefore limited their intake of the poison. Later on, they realized that phosgene gas was more effective than chlorine gas. It killed its victims within 48 hours of the attack.